Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick and easy half up hairstyle. This can be done on straight hair, but I've decided to give the hair a soft wave, and I do this by curling everything away from the face. Then when the curls have cooled down, I just run a wide tooth comb through all of those curls to loosen them up. To start, we're going to divide the hair from ear to ear, and we're going to pop this into a ponytail using a clear elastic band. On the last turn of that band, only pull the ponytail part way through to create a small loop. Now all we're going to do is split those tail ends in half to either side of the head. And I'm going to put my fingers behind that elastic band, creating a hole. And I'm going to grab hold of that loop and pull it up and through the hole we've just created. Then use your fingers to fan out that section and pinch and pull for more texture and volume. And I'm just going to slip a couple of bobby pins through the centre to keep it secure to the head. And then I'm just going to loosen up the crown by pinching and pulling the hair on both sides. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.